Here the problem is 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square up to n term. So again we have to observe how do I find the nth term. So here first term is 5 square. 5 square, 6 square, 7 square. If I put 1 plus 4 we get 5. 2 plus 4 we get 6. 3 plus 4 we get third term. So if I put here n plus 4 we get the Tn, that is n square, 8n plus 16. Now again we have to put the value of n. N equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3 up to Tn. So that is 1 square plus 8 multiplied by 1 plus 16. T2 equal to 2 square plus 8 multiplied by 2 plus 16. T3 equal to 3 square like this. Tn, same way we already found Tn. Now add this. S equal to Sn equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 equal to how many 16s here? 16. 1, 2, 3 up to n, that is 16n. Right? Now put the value of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, that is this one, and this is this one. Put the value here, you will get the result. So this is your summation. Simplify this and you will get the result. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section below. And if you want any specific problem to be solved, then write in the comment section. I will try to make a special video on the same. So student, look at this pattern. So first term is here 1 square. This is T1. This is T2. This is T3. Like this. So here first term is 1 square. Second term is 1 square plus 2 square. That is in second term 2 numbers are there. In the third term 3 numbers are there. For nth term how many numbers will be there? So n numbers will be there. So Tn equal to 1 square plus 2 square up to n square. So here what is the value? Value is n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. So how much is this? N into 2n square plus n 3n plus 1 by 6. So it is 2n cube plus 3n square plus n by 6. Now put the value 1, 2, 3 in T1, T2, T3, you will get the summation. So T1 equal to We take the common from here, 6. That is 2 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square plus 1. T2 equal to 1 by 6, 2 multiplied by 2 square, 3 multiplied by 2 square plus 2. T3 equal to 1 by 6, 2 multiplied by 3 square plus 3 multiplied by 3 square plus 3, and for nth term, that is Tn equal to 1 by 6 2 n square plus 3 n square, this is cube, plus n. Okay, now we have to add all these terms. That is Sn equal to 1 by 6 2, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube up to n cube plus 3 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. Next 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Again you have to put the value of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus n cube, that is this one, and 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, that is this one, and 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is this one. Put the value here, you will get the result. Now students, simplify this and simplify as much as possible, and you will get the result. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section below. And if you want any specific problem to be solved, then write in the comment section. I will try to make a special video on the same.